And today, I've kicked the contractors out and want to give you a behind-the-scenes tour of what one looks like. Not all communities in the Disney corridor that allow vacation homes or short-term rental homes are created equal. Yes, there are communities that have certain floor plans, which don't allow for a lot of customization or personalization. But there are some communities that allow for very custom features. And today, I've kicked the contractors out and want to give you a behind-the-scenes tour of what one looks like. Well, we finally made it inside. Thank you to the contractors who stepped out for a minute, but this home is not like a stereotypical, we'll call it planned community home. It's got a lot of special features. You probably heard that door shut when we walked inside. A nice sturdy 9-foot door. Walking into your gathering space, right? If you do decide to use this property as a rental property, you want to make sure you have a lot of gathering space. And the way this floor plan lays out, you have a beautiful area for your living room, have your big 100-inch television propped up on the wall there, and a great layout for the kitchen as well. Now you have to use a little bit of imagination. Again, all the contractor stuff is still here, but this is the behind-the-scenes stuff I want you to see. You can actually see the cabinets before they're finished and the countertops are on. These are frameless cabinets, and they are of a European design. Now that's a custom feature that you don't find a lot of time in homes or vacation homes here in different communities sprinkled throughout the Disney corridor, but this house has it. Now again, some of these custom features you'll find are what they used to call built-ins, but these are already designed to fit as big as a 100-inch screen television. Custom fireplace will be fitted in there as well. And of course, you have that great indoor-outdoor feel like so many people want in the state of Florida, especially when the weather's great. Take a look at this big sliding door that opens up to a tremendously spacious patio. And if you come out here, you'll see the custom paver work throughout. The ceilings have been done in a great applique. That is a solid wood. Just gives you that really cool kind of coastal Florida community vibe. And people actually love spaces like this. Again, it doesn't always have to be used as a rental home. It can be used as a vacation home or even a full-time home. So always think about that if you're looking to invest in Florida. The way you buy your property might not always be the way you sell it. It could be to someone who's looking to put it into a rental program or someone who's looking to make the move and make a Florida forever home. Part of the fun about living in Florida is getting to enjoy your outdoor space. We pretty much get a chance to do that 365 days a year. So if that's the case, then you have to have an outdoor kitchen. Now, while we're still under construction here, you can just imagine some of the amenities that will be part of this. Maybe a great countertop, probably a big grill area here with a nice decorative hood. And on top of that, while you're doing your work and serving your drinks and having a lot of fun with your friends and family, you can just take a peek out and look at the golf course. You can probably tell already this house is full of all kinds of custom features. One of them that jumps out to me is the ceiling height, 12-foot high ceilings. Pretty nice feature. This hardwood flooring is yet to be installed, but that's the real deal hardwood floor. And that's what some people are looking for in these homes and especially in this community. The caliber of home that you're looking for might vary a little bit, but if you want some high-end stuff, I absolutely can find it for you. Now, this builder in this community can build houses in a variety of bedroom counts for whatever reason you might be buying this house for. They do 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 12 bedroom houses. Now, these homes are artworks. If you think about them like that, custom houses can have a ton of features that people really, truly appreciate. Bringing the outside in or the inside out, that's what's the most important for the builder when he built this house. He wanted to encompass all the great things about living in Florida, whether it's the sunshine, the weather, getting a chance to see some golfers drive by. It's all here for you in this house, And this is why people love it. One thing that happens sometimes in some of our older homes in these different communities is that they have to be retrofitted for some of the newer features. Now, this house already comes with it, and one of those big features is a theater room. Can you imagine getting you and your family here, having a chance to just lay out, whether it's grabbing a drink, someone's making some popcorn, but you don't have to wait in line for the movies anymore. It's here at your house. And this is why people love these types of amenities. Now, whether it's building your own custom house in one of these great Disney corridor communities, I'm happy to help you find it for you. Or maybe it's a pre-existing home that might need a little tweaking here or there. Regardless, we've got you covered. Properties throughout this community are available, and I'm happy to guide you through your journey, whatever that journey might be. Open house? What do you mean there's no house here? Well, guess what? You're exactly right. There's no house here, but there could be a house here. There's a lot of my clients who have bought lots in communities, and they've had a chance to design their own custom home. That way you get your pool the way you want it, you get the bedroom count the way you want it. I mean, heck, you even get your driveway the way you want it. So always ask about available lots if you're looking for that one-off or that really special feature. And of course, my team and I can connect you to a variety of builders that can build your dream escape here in Central Florida.